1974 Yamaha XS650 Chopper. Price, $6,500. Mileage, 300 miles since build. Location, Wichita, Kansas. This 1974 Yamaha XS650 Chopper is a clean, eye-catching custom build finished in a bold purple that perfectly matches its classic chopper attitude. With only 300 miles since completion and just 2 owners, this bike has clearly been well cared for and thoughtfully updated. Recent work includes a brand new carburetor and new fuel line, and the bike fires right up and runs strong, just as it should. Paired with a manual transmission, the legendary XS650 motor delivers reliable performance with vintage character. This chopper is ideal for someone looking for a unique, old-school custom that stands out from modern bikes while still being mechanically sound and ready to ride. 2005 Harley-Davidson Softail Custom. Price, $5,000, OBO. Mileage, 1,234 miles. Location, Daytona Beach, Florida. A fully customized 2005 Harley-Davidson Softail Custom that delivers classic Harley attitude with a unique, head-turning presence. Showing just 1,234 miles, this bike has seen very light use and runs and rides strong. Finished in a bold orange paint scheme, it stands out instantly while keeping the timeless Softail profile riders love. The manual transmission provides a true, hands-on riding experience, and the custom setup gives it personality you won't find on a stock bike. Clean, powerful, and ready to hit the road, this Softail Custom offers serious value at an affordable price. If you're looking for a distinctive Harley that combines style, performance, and individuality, this one is ready to ride home today. 1998 Pro 1 Custom Motorcycle. Price, $5,000. Location, Deputy, Indiana. A sharp and eye-catching 1998 Pro 1 Custom motorcycle, built to deliver both style and a smooth riding experience. This custom bike is in like-new condition and has clearly been well cared for, running strong and riding exactly as it should. Designed with a clean, custom look that stands out from standard factory bikes, it offers a unique presence on the road while remaining comfortable and reliable. Whether cruising through town or showing it off at bike nights, this Pro 1 Custom delivers solid performance and distinctive character. An excellent opportunity to own a custom motorcycle at an affordable price, ready to ride and enjoy from day one. 1980 Harley-Davidson FLT Tour Glide Custom Shovelhead. Price, $7,000. Mileage, 50,000 miles. Location, St. Joseph, Missouri. A true piece of Harley-Davidson history, this 1980 FLT Tour Glide Custom Shovelhead represents the first year of the rubber-mounted FLT frame, making it a highly desirable classic among enthusiasts. Powered by the legendary Shovelhead engine, it delivers that raw, mechanical feel and unmistakable Harley sound riders crave. With 50,000 miles, this bike reflects real road experience while remaining strong and ride-ready. The blue exterior gives it a timeless touring look, perfectly matching the long, low stance of the Tour Glide fairing. Built for comfortable highway cruising with classic character, this custom FLT blends vintage Harley heritage with touring capability. Ideal for collectors or riders who appreciate old-school style and authentic V-twin performance, this Shovelhead is a solid, soulful machine ready for the open road. 1998 Harley-Davidson Sportster Chopper, Sporty Hugger. Price, $5,000. Mileage, 11,000 miles, odometer not working. Location, Forest Park, Georgia. A one-of-a-kind 1998 Harley-Davidson Sportster Chopper, built from an 883 cubic centimeters Sportster Hugger and transformed into a true custom machine with attitude and craftsmanship. Professionally refreshed and made ready for sale by Lamar George at Darkwolf Cycles, this bike runs strong and is turnkey. It features a fresh oil change, a brand new front tire with minimal ride time, and a distinctive custom setup that includes 6-over forks, eye-catching custom paint by Dustin Swinks, and a hand-built custom exhaust by Dustin Kirchner. The overall design and build were completed by Ben Bailey, giving this chopper a cohesive, well-thought-out look and feel. Although the odometer and speedometer are not functional, the bike is estimated to have around 11,000 miles. With its stretched stance, raw chopper style, and reliable Sportster platform, this custom Harley is perfect for riders who want something unique, loud, and full of personality. 1968 Harley-Davidson Custom Sportster Chopper. Price, $8,900. Mileage, 2,500 miles. Location, St. Petersburg, Florida. A truly authentic piece of Harley-Davidson history, this genuine original 1968 Harley-Davidson Custom Sportster Chopper is a rare find with undeniable character. Showing just 2,500 miles and owned by a single owner, it has been thoughtfully customized while preserving its original Harley soul. The bike features a lowered and shortened original Harley frame, giving it a clean, aggressive chopper stance that reflects true old-school craftsmanship. Finished in a classic blue paint scheme, it carries the raw, mechanical feel and unmistakable presence that vintage Harley enthusiasts appreciate. Built in an era when motorcycles were simple, loud, and full of personality, this 1968 Sportster Chopper isn't just a bike. It's rolling history, perfect for collectors or riders looking to own a true classic with authentic custom style. 2006 Honda Goldwing 1800 motor trike conversion. Price, $12,800. Mileage, 67,249 miles. Location, Aripeka, Florida. A beautifully built 2006 Honda Goldwing 1800 motor trike conversion that delivers legendary comfort, stability, and long-distance reliability. Powered by the smooth and powerful 1,800 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, this Goldwing is known for effortless cruising and unmatched touring performance. The motor trike conversion adds enhanced balance and confidence, making it ideal for riders who want maximum comfort without sacrificing power or road presence. Finished in a deep burgundy color, it offers a refined, classic look and comes fully loaded with touring features, everything in excellent working order. With 67,249 miles, this trike reflects Honda's proven durability and meticulous engineering. 2002 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail. Price, $3,800. Mileage, 32,889 miles. Location, San Jose/Los Baños, California. A classic 2002 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail that delivers the true feel of traditional Harley cruising. This bike starts right up, runs strong, and rides smoothly, making it a dependable choice for anyone looking to enjoy the open road without complications. With 32,889 miles, it has been properly broken in and remains ready for many more miles of riding. The blue exterior highlights the Heritage Softail's timeless design, featuring wide fenders, chrome accents, and a comfortable touring stance. Well suited for relaxed highway rides or everyday cruising, this Harley offers authentic style, solid performance, and unmistakable V-twin character at a great value. 2009 Yamaha Raider. Price, $4,000. Mileage, 27,000 miles. Location, Sparta, Tennessee. A striking 2009 Yamaha Raider in a bold, seductive blue finish, freshly painted in 2021 to turn heads wherever it rides. Powered by a reliable V-twin engine with manual transmission, this cruiser delivers smooth, responsive power and an enjoyable, low-slung ride. With 27,000 miles, it has plenty of life left for new adventures. The bike also comes with a brand new battery and a brand new sissy bar, ensuring comfort and convenience for both rider and passenger. Perfect for anyone looking for a stylish, well-maintained cruiser with plenty of personality, this Yamaha Raider combines performance, comfort, and classic cruiser attitude in one affordable package. 2012 Honda Fury. Price, $7,500. Mileage, 13,000 miles. Location, Kansas City, Missouri. A show-winning 2012 Honda Fury that combines striking style with custom enhancements for a truly unique ride. Finished in a vibrant blue, this Fury has earned accolades at bike shows and comes loaded with extras, including a tuner for optimized performance and a light kit that changes color to match your mood or the occasion. Powered by a smooth V-twin engine with manual transmission, it delivers reliable power and a responsive, exhilarating ride. With 13,000 miles, it has been gently ridden and remains in excellent condition. Perfect for riders who want a standout cruiser with personality, performance, and show-quality flair, this Honda Fury is ready to impress both on the road and at the next bike gathering. 2003 Honda Shadow. Price: $2,800. Mileage: 9,000 miles. Location: Clarksville, Tennessee. A reliable and stylish 2003 Honda Shadow in a vibrant orange finish, offering classic cruiser appeal with smooth performance. With only 9,000 miles, this bike is lightly ridden and in great condition, ready for the next adventure. The manual transmission provides an engaging, hands-on ride, while the Shadow's low-slung design and comfortable seating make it ideal for both city cruising and longer journeys. Well-maintained and dependable, this Honda Shadow is perfect for riders seeking a classic, affordable cruiser with solid performance and eye-catching style. 1994 Honda Shadow 1100. Price: $2,500. Mileage: 29,155 miles. Location: Mt. Vernon, Ohio. A 1994 Honda Shadow 1100 in classic blue, this bike is a true original with just 29,155 miles and has been carefully garage-kept by its two owners. Its manual transmission provides smooth, controlled riding, while the reliable 1,100 cubic centimeters V-twin engine delivers plenty of torque for comfortable cruising. The Shadow's timeless styling, low-slung frame, sleek lines, and traditional cruiser profile remains untouched, making it a rare find for collectors or riders seeking an authentic vintage Honda experience. Well-maintained and in excellent condition, this bike offers a dependable, stylish ride with plenty of character and classic charm. 2011 Honda Shadow 750. Price: $4,500. Mileage: 15,000 miles. Location: Central, South Carolina. A reliable and stylish 2011 Honda Shadow 750 in striking blue, ideal for both new and experienced riders. Powered by a smooth 750 cubic centimeters V-twin engine with manual transmission, it offers easy handling, steady torque, and a comfortable ride for weekend cruises or daily use. With 15,000 miles and two owners, this bike has been well maintained and remains in excellent condition. Its low-slung cruiser design, classic lines, and approachable riding style make it perfect for beginners while still appealing to seasoned riders looking for a dependable, fun-to-ride bike. A great combination of comfort, style, and performance, ready to hit the road immediately. 2013 Honda Fury. Price: $6,700. Mileage: 22,871 miles. Location: Michigan Center, Michigan. A striking 2013 Honda Fury in bold red, fully equipped with recent upgrades for a smooth and confident ride. This bike comes with brand new tires, a new clutch, new fork seals and oil, as well as a lowering spring with adjustable shock preload, enhancing both comfort and handling. With 22,871 miles and multiple owners, it's been well maintained and is ready for the road. Powered by a reliable V-twin engine with manual transmission, it delivers strong torque and a thrilling ride, while its low-slung chopper styling and vivid red paint make it a head-turner at every stop. Perfect for riders looking for a dependable, customized cruiser with style, performance, and comfort, this Honda Fury is ready to deliver countless miles of enjoyable riding.